Which zero-turn mower is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Pro Lift Lawn Mower Jack. First up is the Pro Lift Lawn Mower Jack, priced at $160.99. What grabbed my attention was its impressive 300 pounds lifting capacity, making it ideal for those heavy-duty tasks. If you want a reliable lift for your mower maintenance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The safety lock ensures that the mower is securely held while you work, giving you peace of mind that it won't slip. The rubber padded platform is a thoughtful touch, preventing scratches on your mower. Plus, it's designed to be easily maneuverable. With over 700 of these sold last month and a solid 4-star rating from 179 reviews, it's clear that many are finding it useful. Now, some people complained about its size being a bit bulky for small garages. Here's the thing though, if you have the space, it's not a deal breaker. Just remember, it's built for durability, and that's what you want when you're lifting heavy equipment. This is perfect for you if you regularly maintain your lawn mower and need a sturdy lift. Skip this one if you have limited storage space or only occasionally need a lift. For the price, it offers great value for anyone serious about their mower upkeep. Now, if the size of the Pro Lift bothered you, the next one might take a completely different approach. Product number 2, Tough Cover Zero-Turn Mower Cover. Next, let's talk about the Tough Cover Zero-Turn Mower Cover, retailing at $54.95. This cover caught my eye because of its high 600D fabric, which gives it a solid reputation for durability. If you want to protect your mower from the elements, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The waterproof and wind-resistant features mean that your mower will be safeguarded against rain and harsh weather. With over 1,200 reviews and an impressive 4.7-star rating, users rave about how well it fits various models, thanks to its universal drawstring design. The included carrying bag makes it easy to store in the off-season. Now, some users mentioned that it can be a bit cumbersome to put on. But honestly, once it's on, the peace of mind knowing your mower is protected from dust and debris is a big win. This is perfect for you if you store your mower outside and need reliable protection. Skip this one if you have an enclosed storage space where you can keep your mower safe from the elements. For its price, you're definitely getting a solid level of protection. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for heavy-duty protection. Product number 3, AUX Mag Universal Heavy Duty Hitch. Up next is the AUX Mag Universal Heavy Duty Zero-Turn Mower Trailer Hitch, priced at just $17.99. What stood out to me was its strong neodymium magnets that provide secure attachment. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use hitch, this is worth a serious look. The one-handed hook and unhook mechanism simplifies the process, and with a 4.6-star rating from over 1,200 reviews, it's clear that many find it convenient. The double protection feature with a split pin ensures that it stays secure even on rough terrain. Now, some folks reported that it can be tricky to align the pin correctly. Here's the thing though, once you figure it out, it's a breeze. It's designed for efficiency, and that's what you want when you're in the field. This is perfect for you if you need a hassle-free towing solution for your mower. Skip this one if you rarely tow anything or prefer a more permanent hitch solution. At this price, it's tough to beat the value it offers. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more specialized, let's check out our next product. Product number 4, Mojack Hydraulic Lift Jack. Now we have the Mojack 45501 HDL 500 Hydraulic Lift Jack, priced at $329.99. What caught my attention was its 500 pounds lifting capacity and professional-grade build. If you're serious about maintenance and repairs, this is worth a serious look. The hydraulic lift provides smooth operation, and with 3 safety stops, it ensures stability during use. With a 4.6-star rating from 487 reviews, it's a favorite among landscapers and homeowners alike. However, some users felt it was a bit pricey compared to other jacks. Here's the thing though, the ease of use and safety features really justify the cost, especially for anyone frequently working on their mower. This is perfect for you if you often perform maintenance tasks on your mower and need a reliable lift. Skip this one if you only need a lift occasionally or have a tighter budget. For those who prioritize quality and safety, this is a worthy investment. Alright, that brings us to our final product, which is a more budget-friendly option for mower protection. Product number 5, Rimwig Zero Turn Mower Cover. Finally, we have the Rimwig Zero Turn Mower Cover priced at $17.09. This cover caught my eye because it's a budget-friendly option for protecting your mower. If you want great protection without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The Rimwig cover fits most standard zero-turn mowers, and it features strong windproof performance with elastic straps to keep it secure during storms. The waterproof construction prevents rust and corrosion, which are common concerns for outdoor storage. With a 4.4-star rating from over 200 reviews, it's gaining traction as a reliable choice. Now, some users mention that it isn't as durable as higher-end models. But I'll be real with you, for the price, it provides solid protection and is perfect for those not wanting to spend much. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to keep your mower protected. Skip this one if you need something more heavy-duty for extreme weather conditions. At this price, it's an excellent option for casual users. Now that we've covered all 5, let's wrap things up. So we've explored the Pro Lift for sturdy lifting, the Tough Cover for outdoor protection, the ILX Mag Hitch for towing efficiency, the Mojack for professional-grade maintenance, and the Rimwig for budget-friendly coverage. Each has its strengths based on your specific needs. Choose wisely and happy mowing.